Look at the clock. 11:11. This moment isn't random. It's a doorway chosen by the universe, a window where everything aligns. Not yesterday, not tomorrow, only now. When the numbers appear, the energy around you softens, the path ahead opens, and destiny whispers. And in this exact moment, there's one sentence, just one, that unlocks everything you've been waiting for. Stay with me, and you'll feel the shift. 11:11 is not just numbers. It's a doorway, a reminder that the universe is awake with you. Every time you see it, your thoughts become louder. Your energy writes the script of reality. In this moment, the door is wide open. What you choose now multiplies. Fear or love, doubt or trust. 11:11 is your invitation to step through with awareness, to awaken into a higher path. At 11:11, there is no distance. You and them are already one field, already one vibration. In this sacred minute, speak the words and feel the bond respond. I am aligned. What I desire is already mine. Say it once, not as hope, but as truth. Whisper it inside, or let it rise through your voice. Either way, it echoes across the unseen bridge that connects your hearts. This is not a wish, not a plea. It is a command of energy, locking into reality and flowing straight into the bond you share. Now, close your eyes. Take one gentle breath. In front of you, a beam of light begins to rush forward, faster than thought, brighter than doubt. It carries your desire already complete, already done. You don't chase it. You don't question it. You simply allow. Feel the door open, as if the universe itself is handing it to you. The light wraps around you, and in this embrace, the wish is no longer a wish. It is real. At 11:11, energy is already working. Believe it and receive. And remember, 11:11 is not outside of you. It's your mirror, showing your worth, your light, your love. Each time the numbers appear, it's the universe whispering, you are already enough. Say the sentence, feel the shift, and let reality follow your vibration. The key is in your hands, the door already open. At 11:11, everything is yours.